All right, this is for the music primary source analysis. So you click on that and you're going to make a copy of the music primary source. You're going to choose one of these songs, either this song, Gazette, which means gazelle, or Hello, My Baby by Ladysmith Black Bazamba. So this will link you to a YouTube video where you can choose which one you want to watch and listen to. So then you're going to listen. Oh, and I'll also link you to like lyrics and information about that song. So the first one talks about like Africa music, some of the traditions with it, and then this tells you what things to kind of listen to. It's mostly sung in Zulu. There's some guitar music, some different call and response. Okay, and then this actually talks about the singers making a statement with song and like sharing stories, and then also kind of also being like nationalist or supporting like their cultural identity. So the song is pretty cool. And it's also kind of like seen as rebellious in some sense against towards the government, because it's promoting like their cultural identity, which the government was trying to like shut them down. So that's this group. This one, Hello My Baby, is actually like a song sung by like different like a cappella groups across the world. But this is just kind of the African take on it. And I'll give you like some information about this song as well. All right. So when you click on that, and they'll have a place for you to listen to the music too. Then you type in here what song you chose. Okay, and then you're going to fill out this sheet about the music. Then you'll submit this on Canvas. So I'm using your Google Drive. So that is the music primary source analysis.